This footage, I just had to push it in enough and it snapped in place and grabbed and held because there is the nub. So there we are. All four wheels are now safely on their axles for the car, as you can see from here. So that's a good amount of progress for tonight. There's the group picture, and I'll mark it on the guide that the wheel has been put on the axle. Here's hoping that putting the wheels on the axle is not going to interfere with being able to attach them to the car properly. That the weight won't affect anything. But let's see here. Let's try this with the wheels on it still attached at 5 points, and yeah, I think it'll settle in place nicely using gravity. All right, I think that'll work out quite nicely. All right, and this fits on top of the two brackets, which will go along the inner fender here. But the wheels will be up. Okay, well that's good. I'm glad it worked. So, and I mean, the back wheels roll, the front wheels roll easier, much more easily than the rear wheels, but I'm sure if I do enough, maybe I can get it rolling freely. All right. And actually, it's going to go like that. There we go. All right, so we'll see you all tomorrow, or when I film next. Bye-bye.